bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular colanders strainers. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about them. Been using them for a while now. They are very similar. They have the very similar functions, but there are some distinct differences that might make a big decision for your buying decision. I bought all 3, so you don't have to. You could just get the best one for you. Right over here, we got the US kitchen. This guy right over here is going to be the Balavina, B-A-L-V-I-A-N. And these guys right here are going to be the STOCKPOT. We're going to go one by one. We got pasta boiling over here. So we're going to see how each one of them handles it. We got some blueberries and stuff over here. We could do that as well for these. So let's just get started with the US kitchen. So this is what the US kitchen one looks like right over here. We got the mesh basket. This can hold 6 quarts right over here. It is expandable. So this goes from 14 to 21 and it could go over your sink. This is great for dumping hot stuff. You don't have to worry about the liquid hitting the bottom of your sink, kind of touching your food. We do have little legs on the bottom of this, so it also doesn't sit. We got a double rubber handle right over here. So really nice, easy to hold, easy to grip. This is dishwasher safe as well. So you can put this in the dishwasher if you're doing pasta and stuff that maybe leaves like a little starch or residue. I would definitely wash this out real quick before putting it in the dishwasher so stuff doesn't get stuck in there. It literally, I'm not talking like really, just like shh, really quick. I'll show you, don't worry about it. So that is going to be our US kitchen. We'll kind of put them to the test in just a second. Next, we're gonna jump to the STOCKPOT. So the STOCKPOT is these 3 right over here. These do come in different styles and different sizes. So you're gonna get a 5 quart, a 3 quart, and then your 2 quart right over here. These are stainless steel. We do have little feet on the bottom of these. We have nice big handles on these as well. These do not get hot. When I put this inside, dump pasta, the bottom will be hot, but the top handles do not get hot. I was a little concerned about that when I first got them, but haven't had any issues with that. And I think that's a really nice feature. With these, you got the large, the medium, and the small right over here. With this, I do like the fact that if you're kind of just doing a couple blueberries like this, super easy to do in here. These are great for heat as well. They are dishwasher safe as well. And you have the 3 different options over there. We're gonna get to the pasta in just a second. Let's do this last one right over here. This one right over here is going to be your Balavina colander. This one is also an expandable one that goes exactly like this. This also has a mesh basket as well. This is dishwasher safe and you will want to pre-wash it. Down here is a difference. We'll get into all the differences in a little bit. You have these little legs over here and these 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4 little rivets over there. So let's kind of put these to the test a little bit. We're gonna get our pasta going over here. We're gonna kind of dump that in and I'm gonna kind of show you the uses over here. So this is gonna be your US kitchen. This is your Balavina and this is gonna be the STOCKPOT right over here. We will pour from here first. So this is gonna be in the US right over here. This one is gonna be in the Balavina. And then we're gonna grab, let's get some more water in here. You can kind of see the function. We'll get rid of this guy right over here. We're gonna get this one into here, just like that. And that one goes down into there. And you just dump that like that. So you can already see some major differences. Obviously, these go over the sink. And this one goes here. Again, these are not hot. These do not get hot either, which is a really nice, I was so nervous about these getting hot, but they don't. So really great options here. Now, which would be a good fit for you? I would say if you were looking for over the sink, you don't want to have to hold this when dumping water or something like that into it. I would say one of these over the sink ones are for you. And if you're kind of doing a lot of hot stuff or you do a lot of big things that you're rinsing, I would probably say the US industry one right over here kind of gets the edge a little bit. The rubber is a little thicker and this one does have feet, which I personally like. Is just a sturdier version of the Balavina right over here. The Balavina is good as well, as you'll see here, but these arms are a little skinnier and they don't really have the feet down here. So it's not as, I don't know, your kind of stuff could be sitting in the water. Obviously, it's not. I do like the fact that you could also serve out of this in the over, if you wanted to do that with the ones that go over the sink. Now, what I like about these over here is you got the different sizes. So you got a big one right over here, which is great for pasta. But if you're just trying to rinse blueberries or some small stuff, these are kind of big to get out, set up, just to make a few blueberries. I'd rather take this out and do that. So I'm using these when I have like smaller things to use. You can't go wrong with either one of these. These are just kind of a breakdown of everything. I think if you want like kind of something super sturdy, long ways, can go over the sink. The US industry is going to be great. The Bavarian is also going to be great for you if you're looking for something a little less steep. This basket is much bigger compared to this basket right over here. It's a little more shallow. And then if you're looking for a little variety, I would go with these guys right over here because you have the different sizes and all different options. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right colander and strainer for you.